Ladies and gentlemen, freelancing has changed. And if you're serious about starting a career on Upwork in 2025, you need to know exactly how to make your first move and your best move. This is the most complete, beginner-friendly, no-fluff guide to getting started on Upwork and winning. My name is Colette, and I've made over $1 million on Upwork. I've been in your shoes. I started with zero, no reviews, and no invites. Just a commitment to figure it out and turn freelancing into a real business. And now I'm going to walk you through exactly how I did it, step by step. This video is packed with value from start to finish, and I've added a few bonus tools to help you get there faster. You'll find them in the pinned comments below. My free Upwork profile optimization guide, my high converting proposal guide, access to my private Facebook community. So let's jump in. Section 1. Get the right mindset and check your availability. This might sound like the least flashy part, but it's the most important. Freelancing isn't a get-rich-quick dream. It's not a side hustle shortcut. It's a business, and your first job is treating it that way. Here's a checklist. Are you even allowed to freelance while working full-time? Check your company's policy. Do you have 5 to 10 hours a week to start? Are you mentally ready for the grind? Because clients won't just show up. Are you open to learning new skills along the way? I started freelancing during my lunch break, 1 hour a day. That's it. You don't need 40 hours to start. You just need consistency. Section 2. Choose a profitable freelance niche. Most people pick a niche based on what sounds cool. We don't do that here. We use data, passion, and demand. Here's the formula. What tools do you already use at work? Figma, Webflow, Canva, WordPress? Which ones do you love or are naturally good at? Are people hiring freelancers for those skills? Search for those keywords on Upwork. How many jobs pop up? Is it hundreds? If so, that's good. That's in demand. I found my lane by focusing on website design and conversion optimization. I was already building landing pages for fun, so I turned it into a service. The key is monetizing what you already know and how to do it. Bonus tip: browse the job boards of popular website builders like Webflow and Shopify. If people are hiring there, chances are they are hiring on Upwork too. Section 3. Craft a profile that attracts clients. This is your storefront, and most freelancers clutter the windows with fluff. Your profile needs to scream 2 things. You know your stuff, and you understand what the client actually needs. Here's how. Headline: what you do, for who, and key benefits. Intro: 2 lines explaining your biggest value. Backstory: why you do this work, or not your life story. Skills: use the exact tools clients hire for. CTA: invite them to message you about their project. Example: I design high-converting websites for coaches and creators using Webflow and Figma, optimized for speed, clarity, and conversions. Let's build yours. Don't write a novel, write like you talk. Section 4. Pick a smart starting rate. You are not pricing yourself. You are pricing your value. Big difference. Here's how to do it like a pro. Search freelancers in your niche. Filter by geography, JSS, and hours worked. Get the average hourly rate. Start slightly below average if you're brand new, but never lowball. Example: if everyone charges $60 to $80 an hour for Webflow sites, start at $50 to $55, then raise it once you get 3 to 5 reviews. Build proof, then raise your price. Section 5. Add testimonials even without clients. No reviews, no problem. Borrow credibility. Use Upwork testimonial feature to request endorsement from old managers, past coworkers, clients you have built website for outside of Upwork. Tell them what to focus on. Design quality, communication, meeting deadlines, And pro tip, these testimonials show up on your profile and build trust instantly. I used this when I had 0 Upwork clients, and it works. Section 6, stay current and show it. Freelancing rewards learners, and clients notice when you stay up to date. Take certification for tools like Webflow, Framer, Figma, and Elementor, and add those badges to your profile. Include them in the proposal. Here's one thing. Most people just collect certificates. You want to apply what you learn and tell the story. Example, recently completed the Webflow CMS Mastery course and used what I learned to build a scalable content hub for a client's blog. Section 7, how to land your first freelance job. Let's get tactical. Your first job is your launch pad. Do this. Filter for entry-level or intermediate jobs. Sort by newest first. Look for jobs with 10 or less proposals. Search with keywords such as landing page, site redesign, Webflow, Figma UI. And pro tip, even if the pay is low, the review is priceless. Aim to win, not to earn maximum money right away. I built my first 10 jobs from $75 to $150 just in design gigs. Each opened the door to bigger projects. Section 8, write proposals that actually get responses. This is where most freelancers crash and burn. Let's fix it with my 7-step method. Number 1, start a hook. Example, need a clean, modern landing page that converts? That's what I do best. Number 2, add your USP, unique selling point. Highlight things like fast delivery, mobile-first design, or SEO optimized layout. Number 3, sell like a doctor. Don't pitch, ask questions. Diagnose first, prescribe later. Number 4, mirror their language. Use their exact phrasing back to them. Build trust instantly. Number 5, personalize in format. Mention specific details from their job post. Use bullet points and not paragraph. Number 6, end with a soft CTA. Would you love to chat some more and hear what success looks like for you? Number 7, use a PS line. PS, I've designed landing pages for startups in your space, and I'm happy to show you examples. Also, I've included links to more of my proposal videos below. Make sure you check those out too. I break this process down with real examples and advanced strategies. Section 9, crush the interview, even if you are nervous. Here's how to turn a message into contact. Research the client's website, past job, and tone. Ask smart questions. Suggest one idea, even if it's basic. Come in with energy and show that you care. I landed my first premium client because I offered an idea they haven't even thought of yet, and they hired me on the spot. Section 10, build reviews that build momentum. Every 5-star review is a magnet for your next job. Here's how to earn them. Be early with deliverables. Communicate daily or every other day. Ask for reviews once the job ends. And bonus, guide the feedback. Hey, if the site redesign improves your bounce rate, feel free to mention that in your review. Section 11, create work samples that sell for you. No experience, no problem. Build a mock project that shows your skill. A homepage concept for a fictional brand. A mini case study with screenshots. A Webflow clone of a trending layout. Upload it on your profile, tag it with keywords, and give it a great title. Clients don't need perfect, they need proof. There, you made it. You now know how to pick a niche, build a killer profile, write proposals that actually work, land interviews, and get your first client. Now, here's what to do next. Download the Upwork Profile Guide, grab the proposal template, and watch the other videos I've linked in the playlist. Join the Facebook community and get feedback from me and others. I'm Colette, and I will see you in the next video. Your freelance journey starts today. Let's get started. Until then, be freelantastic.